Today I'm going to be making Anzac biscuits, and as we head into Anzac weekend in New Zealand, I'm really thinking about all those people in World War I whose lives were transformed by that experience. Anzac, of course, stands for Australia and New Zealand Army Corps, and these biscuits are really iconic in New Zealand because of their association with World War I. Whether they were used as fundraisers back at home or whether they were actually made and sent to the troops, we're not really sure. But either way, they're an amazing tasting biscuit, and I hope you enjoy making them. So I've got the butter and the golden syrup in the pan now, and I'm just going to melt them together. Oh, you didn't see that, did you? So the first thing we need to do is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees C. Now I just need to measure out the coconut, the rolled oats, the plain flour. So I'm going to use 3/4 cup of each of those, and then I've got 1/3 cup of sugar to add as well. So I've melted my butter and my golden syrup together. I've got my dry ingredients, I've mixed them a little bit, and I'm just going to add the two together. Come and have a look and see what it looks like. Next I'm going to add the bicarbonate of soda, or the baking soda. So I need a teaspoon of that. And I'm going to add to that a tablespoon of hot water. Oh, did you hear that hiss? So I'm just going to stir that round, and then I'm going to add that to my mixture. So I'm using a teaspoon to measure out my my mixture. Just going to squash it together a little bit and then shape it into a biscuit using the teaspoon. Right, the biscuits are ready. I'm just going to put them in the oven. So the timer's just gone off and we're ready to take the biscuits out. Oh, yum, they look good.